Hi guys, my name is Taylor Dawns with MarineMax Dallas here in Watersports, Texas. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2017 Tige RZX2. So coming on in the boat, you have a nice transom walkthrough there, fully sea decks, along with your swim platform as well. Sea deck throughout the boat, ton of storage, the boat's in really good shape. Seats look great. Wet sounds, audio throughout the whole boat, 4 tower speakers. Your dash, you'll have your screen display on the side with all your surf options. Really clean looking dash. More storage, passenger storage all the way to the front here. And you'll have a really big open valve for a lot of seating. So again guys, my name is Taylor Dawns with MarineMax Dallas here in Watersports, Texas. Thank you for watching. This was a 2017 Tige RZX2.